Hello and welcome to PowerBench. Today I'm going to be reviewing these RAVPower lightning cables. There's a pack of two, a 3 foot and a 6 foot. They came from Amazon. I bought them on a lightning deal. They were £10.19. Their normal price is £13.99. They are made for Apple certified, so hopefully they'll be half decent. So they come in a reasonably nice box. Standard sort of information on them, made for iPad, made for iPhone. So let's open the box. So what do we got? Oh, there's a divider, plastic divider. We've got a lifetime warranty, so that's one thing these come with, is a lifetime warranty. There seem to be plenty of people in the comments who've eventually the cables are given up and they've had them replaced, so that's promising. So the little divider just says hello 3 foot, hello 6 foot. Oh, and we got some features, pass the bend test, recessed design, package contents. Yeah, fine. So we got these nice soft touch bags, as is increasingly becoming standard. Let me just adjust the brightness. So two cables. So RAVPower branding on both ends. No, just the USB A end. So that's true on both of them. They come with a little, what do we got? A Velcro thing which is joined onto the cable, so you can't lose it. That's a nice touch. Strain relief is pretty good actually. Cable feels okay. Strain relief on both ends is also pretty good. Nice rubbery cables. This is the sort of indent they're talking about. So obviously easier to grab hold of, and that's on the USB end as well. 6 foot cable has the same indent, has the same strain relief, and the same Velcro. So far so good. Is it actually? Yeah, that's definitely 3 feet long. If I fold it up 4 times. Let's do this properly. 1, 2. Yeah, it is 3 feet long. I thought it would be, but I suppose we ought to check these things. So the question is it any good as a charging cable? So for that I'm going to switch to the bench power supply and then adjust at 2.1 amps this USB load. Give it a second to settle down. So at 2.1 amps, 5 volts. There we go. So we're accounting for the voltage drop in this cable and this this socket. Need to have a tidy on my desk. So we've got a USB end here. We'll plug the lightning end into there. And we'll see what it says. 4.73 volts. which is okay. 0.25 drop is 5%. Let's just confirm that. We'll call it 0.2, is it 4.74? Yeah, 0.25 volts. Divide by 5 times by 100, 5%. Which is okay for a 3-foot cable. That's not too bad. I've seen a lot worse. I would say that's pretty reasonable. Okay, so the 6-foot cable, same deal. Plug it in. 2.1 amps. We're losing 0.35 volts, which is slightly better than the 0.35 divided by 5 times by 100, 7%. Which again, actually that's pretty good for a 6-foot cable. Reasonably happy with that. So yeah, for lightning cables, these are reasonably good. 7% loss for a 6-foot cable is perfectly acceptable. 5% loss for a 3-foot cable is okay. There's nothing particularly wrong with that. They feel like quality cables. They've got good strain relief. They feel nice, and they come with a lifetime warranty. So it's promising. I'm perfectly happy to recommend these. They seem like a quality cable. Thank you for watching. If you like the channel, please subscribe for more videos. If you don't like watching the videos, feel free to visit the website at powerben.ch, where there'll be a write-up of every review I do. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon.